know, you can deduct all or part of your home repair cost if you have a business or use portion of your home as an office for the business. Now, to qualify for home office deduction, you must have a legitimate business and use part of your home exclusively or regularly for the business. If you qualify for this deduction, you can actually deduct 100% of the cost of repair you make just to your home office. Now, let's say, for example, you use your bedroom as your home office and you replace a broken window. That is 100% deductible. Now, the repairs that benefit the entire home can also be deductible according to the percentage of home office use. If it's 20% of the house that you're using as your home office, then you can deduct 20% of the cost of repairs. Now, there's another way to deduct home repair costs is if you rent out a portion of your home. This will enable you to deduct all or part of the expenses as rental expenses. As with home office deduction, improvements that repair only a portion of the home being rented can also be deducted in full. Repairs that benefit the entire house can be deducted according to the percentage of rental use for the home. It's good to have a home business, isn't it? Don't forget to be good to